Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove an account from Messenger. So let's get started. Begin by opening your Messenger application. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on Settings option. Scroll down until you find Switch Account option. Tap on it. Now, tap and hold on the account that you want to remove. Tap on the dustbin icon. To remove the account, you need to log out of this account on Facebook to remove the account. And this is how you can remove an account from Messenger. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.